Dear students, let's discuss today about the application software, which is a type of software. So, in previous class we have discussed about system softwares, but in this class we will discuss about the application softwares. So, what are application softwares? Application softwares are the programs or computer programs that are used to perform specific tasks only. For example, if you talk about calculators, we are taking the example of calculator. First is calculator. Second, we can take example like MS Microsoft Word. These type of different types of softwares are here, like PowerPoint. These are various examples for application softwares like in game. These type of all softwares that are used to perform specific tasks are known as application softwares. How we can say that? Because calculator is used only to perform mathematical calculations. This MS Word is used only to write something, any text in a particular page. For example, PowerPoint is used to show the presentation in a form of slide. Game is used to play something like a car game. Any game we can take considered under this game softwares. So in MS Word we cannot do any calculations. In calculators we cannot type essay or letters, because of for essay, writing essay or letters, this is a specific software MS Word. For making calculations, this is calculator is a specific software. So these type of softwares which are having their specific use is known as application softwares. So under application softwares, various categories are coming. If we take some examples, for first like packages. So there are various types of package of softwares is available in computerized field. Means that if we, what are packages? Actually, if you talk about packages, so what are packages? Packages are generally the collection of multiple softwares. We can say it's a bundle, it's a collection or it's a group of multiple softwares. We can take example like Microsoft Office. You all have listened this name, that is called Microsoft Office. So in Microsoft Office, many softwares are here like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, Outlook. So 7 to 10 various softwares are coming under this Microsoft Office. So if we want to install like Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint in our computer, then we need to install Microsoft Office software. Then these software will be automatically come and run in our computers. These type of softwares are called packages. Or we can take one more example, that is called DBMS, Database Management System Software. This is also coming under the package of softwares. Next is utility programs. What are utility programs? Utility programs or utility softwares are those type of programs or softwares that are very helpful for our computer processing systems. Means if we want to remove the load of our computer, if we want to improve the performance of our computer, if we want to rearrange the information and files in memories of computers, then we need to install those type of software. I am giving very simple example. Some viruses are coming in your computer. As you all know that viruses are very harmful for your computer, that can defect or delete your files, information, data, that can leak your information from the computer systems. So these type of viruses are very harmful for our computers. So we need to install a program that is called antivirus. As you all have listened this name, antivirus. So antivirus is such type of software that can improve the performance of your computer, that can remove or delete the viruses of your computers, and this antivirus will come under the utility programs. Like various different softwares are also here, like disk defragment softwares, memory management softwares. These type of various softwares are here which can improve the performance of the computer, are called utility programs. Next is customized softwares. These customized softwares are generally used to perform a specific sector like business. For business purposes, these type of customized softwares are used, like for banking purposes like SBI Bank, HDFC Bank. These are having their customized softwares. The software that can perform for their sector only are called customized softwares. And next is developer tools. These developer tools are such type of programs which are very helpful for the software developers. Through these softwares or developer tools, the developer or software programmer can make different types of software, can make different types of programs. I am giving some example like NetBeans. This is a type of software through which software programmer can make some programs, and these type of softwares are known as developer tools. Or we have listened that name of like simple name, that is Visual Studio. This software you have listened the name, that is Visual Studio. This is a such type of program or software tool from where we can make computer softwares by using C language, C++ language, Python language, Java language, any language we can use under this platform. So this is called developer tools. And now the topic is being over and the first chapter is also being completed. Next thing we will do in next video. Have a good day.